Ayun, magandang araw po sa bawat isa. Kamusta po kayo? So ngayon po, we will be doing another fragrance review. Actually, a comparison review ulit from the local brand called 625 Perfumes. Ayan, so last time po, para po sa mga nakapanood, we tried comparing ito pong Caramel Kiss nila sa OG Crush on Me by Unique Luxury. So ngayon po, we will be doing a review of ayun, Namek. So Namek is supposedly 625's interpretation of Marc-Antoine Barrois Ganymede. So, before we proceed, of course, katulad nung ginagawa ko po ng mga nakaraan nating uploads, no, I wanted to share sa inyo yung aking SOTD or Scent of the Day. This is, ayun, no, this is called Overture Man ng Amouage Bougie Animalic. Again, no, katulad ng mga SOTDs natin, ng mga past uploads, no, I will be doing a personal or an individual review po ng mga iyan. So, Overture Man by Amouage, my Scent of the Day. Siguro, kayo guys, if you wanted to share yung inyong SOTD, please go ahead sa ating comment section. Ayan, so, ayun, Namek by 625 Perfumes. Before we go sa interpretation or sa dupe, sa clone, of course, we will give first the highlight to the OG. I do not have the full bottle of Ganymede, but I have a decant here. I think a good amount na rin for me to try it ng ilang wears, no, para ma-observe ko siya sa mainit, lalo na sa malamig. So, yun, Ganymede, no, the perfumer of Ganymede is Quentin Bysshe. So, para po sa mga nakakakilala or yung mga nakakarinig sa pangalan ni Quentin, no, he is also the perfumer of Guidance ng Amouage. Ito po mga kilala, Guidance ng Amouage, Wanted by Night ng Azzaro, tapos of course 1 Million Parfum ng Paco Rabanne. So a really great and renowned nose, no. So Quentin Bysshe, siya din yung perfumer ng Ganymede, ng Marc-Antoine Barrois. So, ayun, Ganymede, where is it inspired? So, Ganymede, I tried doing my research as always, no? So, Ganymede's name came from the largest moon in the solar system, no? Actually, Ganymede is larger daw, no, than Mercury. And Ganymede, sabi po nila, it is believed to be covered with saltwater ocean, parang ganun, no? That's the name. And also, it is inspired from Lake Maggiore. This is the second largest lake sa Italy. So, yung journey doon, yung scenery and everything else, yung experience. So, ganun, no? Ganun yung tinatry na i-paint na picture, yung dalawang inspiration na yon. And we will be placing here the perfume accords. As you can see, mineral, leather, ozonic, oud, citrusy, warm, spicy, aquatic, etc. Again, no, we will be placing it here, no, yung breakdown na yun. And of course, the perfume notes, mineral notes, suede, saffron, akigala wood, violet leaf, Italian mandarin, immortelle, at saka Chinese osmanthus. So, how does it smell like, no? Kamusta ba yung smell niya? Kasi para sa akin, this is a complex perfume, no? Hindi siya yung typical na aquatic na perfumes na we are accustomed to, like yung mga aquatic ng Bulgari, ng Chanel. Hindi po siya ganun, no? Actually, this is comparable in complexity sa Megamare ng Orto Parisi. So, how does it smell like? Akin personally, no, disclaimer again, this is a personal, subjective experience. Sinasabi ko po always na may mga iba-iba pong factors. Pero, this is how I experience Ganymede ng Marc-Antoine Barrois. For me, yung scent niya, I wanted to, you know, i-describe siya in such a way na parang mas madali siyang ma-imagine. Pero of course, the best way to know is to try, no? Pero I would try, of course, no, to paint the picture sa inyo, no, sa ating mga nanonood. So yun, no, para sa akin, how does it smell like? It is like mineral with aquatic saltiness. Ganun, no? And may metallic smell siya na parang cucumber, no? Actually, yung note ng violet leaf, no? That smells like cucumber, yung cucumber na pipino na kakahiwa pa lang tapos nilagay mo sa tubig. Parang ganun yung smell ng violet leaf. And then of course, may clean metal, parang ganun, no? Hindi siya yung rusty. May clean na metal, no? Imagine clean metal with cucumber na nasa fresh na water na may salt, parang ganun. Pero at the same time, meron siyang clean leather. Actually, clean and bittersweet na leather. Kasi po, meron siyang saffron. Yung saffron, meron niyang effect na bittersweet na leather eh. So, parang ganun siya, clean, but at the same time, bittersweet, no? Na may konting suede, no? Of course, no? Leather, suede, no? Magkamag-anak yan yung suede. Ito lang po yung more on the animalic na side ng leather, no? And may prominent siya na akigala wood. Now, akigala wood, this is actually a synthetic molecule reminiscent of patchouli, no? If you remember last time, no, I tried discussing patchouli. Patchouli, para siyang chocolate, para siyang may smell ng chocolate konti. Yung chocolate na cacao actually, no, na earthy, na may musk, parang gano'n, no, may konting powdery effect, no. Pero this one, patchouli siya, but at the same time may pepper, no, parang black pepper. At may konting oud. So that's the the synthetic molecule called akigala wood. For me personally, yun nga, this is complex, no? This is not for all, no? Imagine na lang, no, if may plans kayo to blind buy ito pong Ganymede. Imagine na lang yung complexity na makukuha mo sa Megamari. I'm not saying na magkaamoy sila, no? Not at all, no? Of course, may mga iba po, may mga differences po yan, may pagkakaiba sila. Pero just try to put in mind na complex siya, hindi siya for blind buying. You have to try it first, no? Para before you pull the trigger, kasi ang Ganymede po ng Marc Antoine Barrois, hindi po siya mura. Actually, para siyang 10 to 12K, no, yung mga nakikita ko. So, be careful, no, if you're adventurous and if you like what you see, no, then go ahead, no. And if you have, of course, the means to buy, go ahead. Pero, para sa akin, if you are exploring niche, if you are exploring the niche scent profile ng ozonic, oceanic, ng mga accords, then please be careful, kumbaga, in buying ito pong Ganymede. So, yun, basically, yun yung aking nakukuhang scent profile. And kamusta naman po si Namek ng 605 Perfumes? Shout out again to Sir Paul Prestado and your team. Hello po sa inyo. Thank you po once again for allowing me to try your products, no. Last time, no, yung caramel kiss, it is really commendable. And Namek, kamusta naman po si Namek? I asked the owner ng 605 Perfumes kasi yung name, no, yung pag-name, no, yung Namek, siguro sa lahat nung release ng 605 Perfumes, isa ito sa interesting, no, para sa akin. Ba't kaya Namek? Kasi isa lang yung naisip kong Namek, so I have to confirm with him. Yung naisip kong Namek was Dragon Ball Z, no? If you have watched, siguro marami ako po sa atin nanood ng Dragon Ball Z, no? Pero yun, no, yun yung naiisip ko lang na Namek, no? Yung name na yun. Pero I have to confirm with him bakit Namek, no? Tinanong ko talaga kay Sir Paul yun, Sir, bakit yung name nitong Ganymede interpretation nyo is Namek? Well, apparently, tama ako, no? Namek came from Dragon Ball Z, no? So, dalawa yan, dalawa daw yung journey ng naming niya. Number one, he wanted to name this perfume, this release, no, na parang celestial like, kasi Ganymede, of course, no, moon ng Jupiter, the largest moon in the solar system. Gusto niyang magbigay ng pangalan na parang celestial din. And at the same time, before releasing ito pong Namek, no, namatay yung creator ng Dragon Ball Z, si Akira Toriyama, no, or Toriyama, no, namatay po siya, no. So naisip niya, why not pangalanan natin siyang Namek, no. Actually sa Filipino na translation, Namek ito, 'di ba? Planetang Namek. If reminiscent sa inyo yung si Piccolo, si Dende, yung mga yun, no. And of course, sa Dragon Ball Z, yung planetang Namek or Namek, no, nasa universe 6 or 7 siya, and it was destroyed by Frieza, no. So yung mga yun, no, para sa mga nakapanood nun, ako kasi na-addict talaga ako doon nung bata ako, no. Yung Dragon Ball Z, talagang tinapos ko yun. So anyway, yun yung kanyang name, no. Doon nang galing yung Namek. So para sa inyo ng mga nakabili ng Namek and you are thinking na parang sa Dragon Ball Z to then like me, you are right, no. Doon nga siya galing. So ayun, no, of course that's the name, pero let's go sa comparison niya sa Ganymede, no. Ito po yung observations ko. Again, disclaimer, ito po ay subjective. This is my personal experience, no. I could be right, I could be wrong, no, pero yun nga, it's subjective, no. Maraming factors, pero I just wanted to share sa inyo yung observations ko, hindi lang sa OG, kundi po si Namek din as compared to the OG. Ayun, so actually few observations lang. Number one, this is a bit lighter take ng Ganymede for me, no. Lighter siya in a way, or mainly I think because of the Akigala wood effect, 'di ba? Discuss natin yung kanina, or I shared kung ano ba yung synthetic molecule na yun. So para sa akin, this is a lighter Akigala wood effect. Parang for like 1 to 2 hours kasi yung OG, ito po ay mas peppery, no? Mas prominent yung pepper niya. Para siyang wrapped in pepper, parang ganun, para siyang hovering yung pepper doon sa perfume, sa Ganymede, as compared kay Namek na siguro toned down, or parang hindi mo nga siya ma-detect yung pepper na yon, and toned down din yung konting suede, no. Hindi naman po prominent yung suede talaga ni OG ni Ganymede, pero dito yun nga, hindi siya, again, no, from the OG hindi siya prominent, pero dito mas tinone down pa yon, parang ganun, no. So yung animalic, konting-konti na animalic and leathery nuance niya, parang slightly to almost none na in yung pagiging detectable niya. Of course, ito pa yung pangalawa. So number one, yung toned down, no, na yung mga ano lang po yan, mga slightly toned down, parang ganun, no, na mga notes, no. Yung number 2, of course, mas loud ng konti si OG compared to this one. When I say mas loud si OG, I'm not saying na ito pong si Namek ay hindi performing. Yung OG po kasi, it is a performer, lalo in the first 1 to 2 hours, no, it's really loud, no. Pero ito din, no, talagang papalag din. Above average pa rin yung kanyang performance, no, lalo sa first hour, it's really loud, no. It lasts for about 6 hours siguro. Of course, more than a day yan sa clothes, no. Pero yun lang, no. Ito po yung akin lang, no. Ito yung akin, no. Of course, the OG is the OG. Wala pong papantay dyan, no. Clones, brands, or even Middle Eastern dupes, they may have interpretations. I remember meron po akong na-try dati yung Celestial ng Paris Corner. Yun naman, may emphasis siya sa suede, sa leather, no. Yung oud, may ganun siyang emphasis, no. Pero yun nga, what I'm trying to say, the OG is the OG pa rin, no. Ito po ay interpretation lamang ng mga scent profile, no. Pero ano ba yung na-observe ko kay Namek? Para sa akin, yung mga terms ko kanina sa difference, kasi I'm trying to detect, no, yung ano bang difference nito. I'm trying to smell, no. Kanina actually nung nire-review ko to, parang medyo napapagod na yung nose ko, no, in detecting kung ano ba yung difference nila, no. Kasi ganun if you're trying to compare reviews, no? From the OG and of course the clone, the dupe. You're trying to compare eh. And of course yung comparison lang na gagawin mo, not the materials, not the background, but mainly the scent profile. So yun lang po yung kino-compare ko during this time, no? And ang napansin ko talaga, lalo sa air, wala silang difference, no? Halos walang difference. You really have to put your nose sa skin mo to detect yung mga na-detect ko. Pero again, yung term ko kanina, konting difference lang. Para sa akin, basically, ang hirap po na, yun lang sinasabi ko, ang hirap na hanapan siya ng difference, no? Ang hirap po kasi maglagay ng percentage. Ako, dati I do that yung mga 80%, 90%, pero kasi ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap po maglagay ng mga ganong percentage, no? Pero yun, what I'm saying is, mahirap siyang hanapan ng difference in terms of scent profile. And kudos, 6 to 5 perfumes. Kudos kay Sir Paul Prestado. Napakagaling lang, no, nung interpretation ninyo. If you are looking for an alternative, of course, yung sinabi ko kanina, ang Ganymede ng Marc Antoine Barroa is like, what, 10 to 12K? No, then this is like 10 times cheaper. 10 to 11 times, 12 times cheaper. If you are looking for an alternative of, or if you want to try the scent profile of Ganymede, no, I would say this is a good alternative, no? Kudos to 6 to 5 perfumes, no? And ayun, shout out again to your team, Sir Paul Prestado, no? Katulad nung sinabi ko last time, no? You have the talent, you have the passion, you have, of course, the juice quality, no? And yun, no, yung request ko lang, sir, no, siguro in the future, no, sana magkaroon din po kayo ng own creation nyo. I'm looking forward. I believe in your guts, no. I'm rooting for you guys, no. So yun, patuloy lang po kayo sa 6 to 5 perfumes. And I had the privilege to finally meet Sir Paul, no, recently lang, no, na-meet ko siya dito po sa Baguio. So yun lang siguro, no. Ang hirap pong hanapan ng difference, no. And for me, Namek is a good alternative, a good take of Ganymede by Marc Antoine Barroa. Ayun, so guys, yun lamang. If you find this video interesting, if you find this helpful, please do support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.